हामबाय पयला थेके पाइथाक जरा नायतंगदि आं तिनि पलिटिनि जे जुडिशियारि सिस्टेम जुडिशियारि अबनतै कंपलसरी एमसीक्यू आलोचना खायनाय अबनिनि टीसीएस टीपीएस ग्रेड 2 10 टीपीएससी बा जेकुनु कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम बा ब्लाय नांकुकमानि गाय नायतंगदि पयला थेके पाइथाक जरा जदि केबो आनि अ चैनल नो सब्सक्राइब ताबो खायजागियाको बा खायाको सब्सक्राइब खायदि ते बेल आइकन दाबाय रेडी तां कटाल जत सब आं इम्पोर्टेंट जासाय खायै अपलोड खाय दङ अब कटाल भिडियो नायना बागै बा नि कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम बो हेल्प खालामनान बागै एंगाय पयला तिनि क्वेश्चन ताम व्हाट डज द जुडिशियरी रिव्यू फंक्शन ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट मीन्स अब हमकाय examine the constitution validity of the constitution and the dispute regarding the election of the president and vice president of India are decided by the Supreme Court. How many type of writs can be issued by the Supreme Court? Five type. Supreme Court of India enjoy original appellate and advisory jurisdiction. The make the judiciary the guardian of the constitution. Awangkai nini judiciary review. The Supreme Court of India, the number of judges including the Chief Justice is now 31. On which of the following ground can be judged of Supreme Court be impeached? Awangkai nini 1 and 2. Awa 1 and 2 tanggangkai B and C. B provide behavior, misbehavior, impeach to act the judge. Engkai abo engka B at C. Engkai sing seman thaga to abo B and C. Abo the number option. Public interest litigation. Public interest litigation PIL may be linked with our judiciary activism. Who held the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court? Our Parliament. When this is a vacancy in the office of the President and the Vice President, at the same time the office is held temporal by the Chief Justice of India. The Chief Justice of India. Acting Chief Justice of the Supreme Court in India is appointed by the President. President. Who has the right to seek advisory opinion of the Supreme Court of India on any question of law? President. Simon Taga Anpra Naitongli Nini the power of the Supreme Court of India to decide dispute between the center and the state fall under it. Original jurisdiction. Original jurisdiction. Sovereignty of India Parliament is restricted by judiciary review. Judiciary review. Who of the following Chief Justice of India act as the President of India also? President of also Justice M. Hidayatullah. Justice M. Hidayatullah. The Indian Constitution provide for the appointment of ad hoc judge in Supreme Court. Salaries of the judges of Supreme Court are determined by Parliament. Which of the following court in India is are known as the Court of Record. The High Court and Supreme Court. এরপরে the system of judiciary review exists in the system of judiciary review exists in abangkai nini Indian of USA which article of constitution permanent the Supreme Court of review is to judgment or order abangkai nini article 137 aba article 137 nga seman thaka who is the custodian of Indian Constitution abangkai Supreme Court who has the right to transfer any case anywhere in India abangkai nini Supreme Court ababa Supreme Court who is the final authority to interpret the Constitution abangkai aba Supreme Court now. The Supreme Court of India was set up by the Regulating Act 1773. Regulating Act 1773. Who was the Chief Justice of India when public interest litigation was introduced to the Indian judiciary system? Abangkai nini PN Bhagati. Aba PN Bhagati. Who is authorized to transfer the judge of one high court to another high court? Abangkai nini President. The Chief Justice of High Court is appointed by nini abangkai President on the advice government of the State Council and the Chief Justice of India. Aba which of fleeing state union territory have a common high court abangkai nini common high court abangkai nini Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. In which year the high court is Madras established abangkai nini 1862 guys semanthaka the mobile court in India is branch shield of nini abangkai Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam a high court judge address his letter of resignation abangkai nini president. Which one of the following state does not have it which one of the following state does not have it high court abangkai nini Goa. Which one of following high court has the largest number of branches ngangkai aba Guwahati High Court. Which one of the following is not the main jurisdiction of High Court of State ngangkai nini aba advisory judicial. The first High Supreme Court judge who voluntarily made his asset public is abangkai nini Justice Kanaya. Which one of following high court has the territorial jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Island abangkai nini Calcutta. On which one of the following fund and salary and allowance of the judge of High Court of the State Church abangkai nini consolidated fund of the state. How many high court in India have jurisdiction over more than one state? Abangkai nini 3 abangkai nini 3. In the verdict of which case Supreme Court has nullified Parliament effort to establish preference of all the directive principle of state policy over fundamental right. Engkai abang kahangkai nini Minerva Mills Bees Union of Indian cases aba anpra judiciary review doctrine of partial annulment is related to which article of the constitution abang kai nini article 13 originally jurisdiction of Supreme Court is mentioned in which of the following article of India Constitution abang kai nini article 131 which of the following reads literacy mean we command which of the following reads literacy mean we command abang kai mandamas which article of Indian Constitution provide an advisory jurisdiction to the Supreme Court abang kahangkai article 143 in which of the following cases Supreme Court of India enacted the doctrine of basis structure abang ka case 1 Bharati case the power to declare the election of an elected member of parliament invalid is vested in abang ka nini the president ngasing seman thaka anpura nini reasonable restriction under article 19 can be improved on the ground of nini abang kahangkai contempt of court which writ is issued by the high court to lower court to stop legal action abang kahangkai nini abang kahangkai prohibition abang kahangkai tama prohibition in India Constitution the power to issue a writ of habeas corpus is vested only in abang kahangkai nini Supreme Court and High Court the due process of law is the characteristics of judiciary system of abang kahangkai USA the Federal Court of India was established in Federal Court abang kahangkai nini 1937 nini judicial review significant that the Supreme Court abang kahangkai nini abang kahangkai can declare a state law and unconstitutional judicial review in India Constitution is based on which of the following abang kahangkai nini procedure established by law the jurisdiction of state high court can be extended abang kahangkai parliament the provision concerning the power of the union judiciary in the Constitution can be amended abang kahangkai nini can be amended by two-third majority of parliament and the majority of majority of the state. Justice is essential a complete concept complex concept combining all the above concept and nini the Supreme Court of India declared by issuing a writ that respondent was not initiated to an office he was holding or a privilege he was exercising which writ in which street is that, which street is that. Engka qua waranto, abang kai qua waranto. Erpora what is the objective advocate for appointment? What is the objective advocate for appointment? Abang kai nini bringing about transparency and impartial in the appointment of justice of the high level. And how can the number of justice in the Supreme Court in India be increased? Abang kai nini by amendment of the Constitution, asserting a habeas corpus writ petition dismissed by the Supreme Court can be admitted by the High Court under Article 226 of the Constitution. Reason: the exercise writ jurisdiction, the power of Supreme Court and High Court are concerned. Hangkai abang hangkai nini abo A is false but R is truth. Reason abo answer reason hangkai thik togo kintu abo hangkai false. Abo hangkai option ko nini the number option correct. And pore nini under the provision of Constitution of India, who is enacted to be consulted by the President of India in the matter of appointment of the Judge of High Court. Abang kai nini the governor, who has the authority to appoint a judge of a high court. Abang kai nini the President of India, to be eligible to be appointed as a judge of Supreme Court of India. How long a person should have practiced in High Court? Abang gangkai nini 12 year. The number of judges can be modifying the Supreme Court by abang kai ini Parliament by law, in which year Supreme Court of India come into being. Abang kai ini 1950 January 28. 1915 January 28, in which year Supreme Court of India come into being. Okay, 1950 January 28. India signed the UN Convention against corruption in which year? Abang kan ini 2005. Consider the following statement. A tenant can be evicted for abuse or treat to landlord or landlady. A father neglected by his son is neglected, entitled to execute will bequeathing his property in favor of his relative. Abang kai nini abang nai 1/2 no duita nong nai angkai C number, not only one and not only A abang B duita nong nai angkai Simon thangka. Next, which of the following are correct match? Article 164, appoint to chief minister in the legislature. Article 222, transfer high court judge. Article 11, power of the parliament of make law with regard to citizenship. Abang hangkai match mane hangkai nini 1, 2, 3 अब तीनटा न मेसुंगो abo tinta no mesungo article 164 no appointment chief minister, article 222 no transfer high court judge, article 11 power of parliament make law with regard abo tar mane no nini abo option D correct. Hingga which of the following is not correct with regard RTI Act 2005. Hingga nini arah hingga an effort public office shall be designed abuya the 8th of Province for the panel of 25th abuya hingga nini the act provision of setting up the central the information shall be made available with 90 days awangkai correct 90 days ni bising di number angkai which of the following is incorrect regarding schedule 4 of our constitution awangkai abanini it deals with the administrator of the tribal area Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Nagaland. The Supreme Court of India enjoy originally appellate and advisory jurisdiction. The power of Supreme Court of India to decide dispute between the center and the state fall under it. Nini original jurisdiction. Nga Simon Thaka angka awan pre nini 72 who of the following Chief Justice of India act as the President of Indian as well angka nini awangka Justice M Hidayatullah. Which of the following is correct about the Supreme Court regarding its judgment awangka nini it can change the judgment. It can change the judgment. Salaries of judge of Supreme Court are determined by parliament. Which one of the following subject come under the common jurisdiction of the Supreme Court and High Court? Protection of fundamental right. Protection of fundamental right. The function of which of the following bodies in India are limited to advisory nature only? Legislative Council. All proceeding in the Supreme Court and in every High Court will be in English. The minimum number of judges to sit on the Constitution bench or a bench which give it advisory opinion on the reference by President must be one half of the total strength of Supreme Court. Which is not correct statement? The Supreme Court protect the directive principle of state policy. The main sources of law in India are the Constitution, state, customary law, jurisdiction, 1, 2, 3, 4, the Constitution allows prevention, detection, but step one number that no one should be details beyond 3 months unless an advisory board authorities detention beyond the period. Which High Court has jurisdiction over the state of Arunachal Pradesh? Which High Court has jurisdiction over the state of Arunachal Pradesh? Guwahati. Who was the Chief Justice of India when public interest litigation was introduced to the Indian judiciary system. Abangkai PM Bhagawati. And nini which among the following Union territory has a judicial commissioner hangkai nini abang hangkai Daman and Diu. Which of the following article make the Supreme Court a court of record hangkai nini 129. The number of judges can be altered in the Supreme Court by abang hangkai Parliament by law. What is the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India provide the Constitution of India? Abang hangkai nini 26. On which of the following ground can judge of the Supreme Court or High Court impeach? Abang hangkai nini arawa 2/3 nai 2 proof misbehavior impeachment 2/3 and D. Public interest litigation may be linked with abang hangkai judiciary activism hingga sing important topic rok compulsory MCQ alosona khakya nai tongli omohai next video rok tebo important topic ang upload khai tongo nini je kono competitive exam bagai jate kaja na ja hambai jatrono